So, it's been a hot minute since I've posted to YouTube. In fact, the last video that I posted was almost 2 months ago. And so in today's video, I thought it would be fun to share my results with you. As in, I'm going to share with you how many views I got over the last 60 days despite not posting a single video. Plus, I'm also going to share with you the videos that actually brought in the views for me because, to be honest with you, I'm surprised at how many views I actually managed to get. And so I want to share with you the videos that brought in those views so that you can start creating similar videos on your channel. And so if you want to take a break, you'll be able to because your channel is still going to bring in views even if you don't post. And so if that sounds good to you, then stick around because I'll be getting into the results really, really soon. But first, I just quickly want to explain why I haven't been posting for a while because I know several of you have been asking me. And so the reason I haven't been posting is because behind the scenes, I've been working on mini products that are super affordable because I know my audience wants affordable products. And so these products are intended to help you, first and foremost, grow your YouTube channel. But secondly, to actually monetize your YouTube channel with digital products. So to give you an example, one of the products that I'm creating is called the Mini Digital Product Kit. And so this product will help you to create your first digital product and sell it with your channel. And so I literally give you the step-by-step process plus all of the tech that I use in my own business inside that product so that you can follow the steps and you can start selling products from your channel as well. And so as you can see, I've been very busy, but I've been gone just because I want to help you guys improve your channels and actually start making money with your channels. All right. Now I am going to be talking more about these products in my future videos, but for now, if you are interested in turning your YouTube channel into an actual business, I do have a free YouTube business blueprint that you can access in the description below. And so this YouTube business blueprint shows you the 5 key steps that you need to follow to actually take your channel from hobby to business. And so it shows you the step-by-step process that I follow to actually start making money with my channel and that my clients have also followed. So this process really works. And so if that's something that you're interested in, then you can grab it down below. Okay, now with that being said, let's jump into my results because I know that's what you've all been waiting for, right? So as you can see with this, in the last 28 days, I have gotten 5,741 views. Now, this is very impressive considering I haven't posted in almost 60 days. Okay, and so I have gotten 5,700 views, plus then I've gotten 258 watch hours. I've gotten, the subscriber count has been similar to other months. And then also my revenue isn't anything impressive, but considering I'm getting paid $20, even though I'm not posting anything, that's really cool. And you also need to consider that my channel is a very small, right? So I have now at this point 2,780 subscribers, and I've posted just over 80 videos, I believe. And so this amount of views is really impressive. Now, I quickly want to show you over the last 60 days so that we can see. So I'm going to go back to, since it's the 6th of November today, but I think I only have analytics available until the 5th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the 5th of September, and then I'm going to go up till the 5th of November, and we're going to apply that so we can see the last 60 days. And so as you can see here, over the last 60 days, I have gotten 11,237 views. Again, this is very impressive since I posted my last video on the 11th of September, okay? So since then, I haven't posted anything. And as you can see here, I'm getting an average of around 150 views per day. So that's despite not posting. And so you can see here on the side as well, I got 382 views in the last 48 hours. Okay. Now, the interesting thing about all of this is that most of these views are actually coming from just 2 videos. And so let me quickly show you the videos that I'm talking about. So as you can see here, we're going to move down and you'll see here my top videos say how to use YouTube's audio library, and then 4 side hustles that actually work in South Africa. And so as you can see, these 2 are the ones that are actually bringing in the most views. Plus then these as well. But for the most part, you can see these ones have a lot of views compared to other videos. Now, interestingly enough, let me actually open the tabs for these videos so that we can look in detail why these videos are doing so well. And so here's the one video so you can see how to use YouTube's audio library the right way, copyright-free music tutorial. Now you can see this video, since it's been published, I think it was published in April. So since it's been published in April, this video has gotten over 7,100 views. Now, the interesting thing about this video is you'll see that in the beginning, when I just posted this video, it didn't bring in a lot of views at all. So in the first day, it only got 40 views. And then fast forward to like day 22, it only had 113 views. So nothing impressive. But what happened with this video is over time, it started to increase in views. And I think the spike really started to happen over here, right? So 68 days in, it really started to continue to grow and grow and grow over time. And so if you fast forward up until the 190th day after posting this video, you can see it now has 7,103 views. And so what's really interesting about this is that most of these views are coming from SEO. Now, if you don't know what SEO is, it stands for search engine optimization. And it basically just means that whenever someone types something into YouTube, so they type a search phrase into YouTube, let's say, for example, you go onto YouTube and you search the best Nike shoes, right? That's a phrase that you're typing in. And so videos are going to pop up that is about the best Nike shoes, right? And so that essentially is what SEO is. As soon as you type in a key phrase, videos will pop up on YouTube's search bar, and you're going to be able to click on those videos. And so if we go down, we can see here, actually, let's go to the reach. So we can see here, this video has a really good click-through rate, 6.6%. So that just basically means that a lot of people are liking the thumbnail and title, and so they're clicking on it. And then if you go down, you can see here the traffic sources for this video. And so as I mentioned, YouTube search is the top traffic source. Almost 60% of the traffic of this 7.1K, views came from search. And so the search phrase that people use, interestingly enough, you can see over here. So people are searching for YouTube audio library free music, YouTube music library, etc. Right? And so as soon as they search these terms, my video pops up. And so let me actually show you how this looks. I'm going to open a new incognito window. Then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to search for these phrases so that we can see if my videos pop up. So I'm going to go into YouTube. And as soon as I'm in YouTube, I'm just going to paste the key phrase, and we're going to see where my video pops up in the line. So now that I've searched this, all of these videos pop up that has to do with YouTube audio library. And then if we go down, we're going to search for my video to see where it is positioned. So at this point, we haven't seen it yet, but we're going to see it just now. There we go. So you can see it is on the first page. Even though it's a bit lower on the first page, it's still here. And so what I noticed with this is a lot of the other videos that pop up for this aren't actually educational videos. They're just like actual music that people can use on YouTube. And so mine is one of the top ones for the educational space. And so probably what's happening is people are most likely searching for copyright-free music tutorial. So YouTube, and then let's just type in copyright free music tutorial, and let's see if my video pops up higher because it's an educational video. And so as you can see here, we're at the top. My video comes up first, right? Because this is an ad, but mine is the first organic post that actually pops up. And so you can see whenever someone now searches for YouTube copyright-free music tutorial, my video pops up. And so they are most likely to actually click on my video. Now, another interesting thing about the traffic sources is that you'll see the second most popular traffic source for this video is external. Now, you can see where this external traffic is coming from when you move down below. And so here we can see it's coming from Google search. So a lot of the traffic that I'm getting for this video is also coming from Google search. And so I bet if I go ahead and I actually type in this same phrase into Google, let's see where my video pops up. So I'm going to go over to videos on Google. And if we move down, you're going to see my video below here. So if we move down, you can see it's right over here, right? So even though it is lower on Google, it's still getting traffic. And so you can also play around with the different search phrases, because most likely if I take out some of these words and replace some of these words, my video will pop up higher for some of those phrases. And so that is what SEO essentially is. As soon as someone types in a phrase into either YouTube or Google, your video can pop up. And so as a result, it can continue to get views over time. All right. So very interesting. And I would highly recommend that you try to incorporate SEO in some of your videos. All right, now let's look at the other video. So this is the other video, and it's called 4 Side Hustles That Actually Work in South Africa, Make 20,000 Rand or More per Month. Okay, now what's interesting about this video is you can see it got almost 9,000 views since it was published, and this one was published in June, okay? And so it's gotten a lot of views over the past couple of months. But what's really cool is that this video got traffic from 2 different sources, okay? So yes, it got traffic from SEO, like I just mentioned. People go ahead and they type in 4 side hustles in South Africa, or side hustles in South Africa, or, how to make money in South Africa, and then my video actually pops up. But another traffic source that it actually got is through browse traffic. So you can see here, browse is actually the biggest traffic source for this video, and then YouTube search. Now, what browse traffic is it is essentially whenever you go onto YouTube and you go onto the home feed, right? And so this is the actual home feed, right? So whenever you come onto YouTube, you're going to see a bunch of videos that pop up that are based on your interests. And so you'll be able to actually click on a video if it piques your curiosity, right? And so a lot of these people, you don't actually even know. So I don't know a lot of these people, yet their channels are popping up on my home feed. And so I can decide to click on one of their videos if, it looks interesting to me. And so that's exactly what happened with this video. This video was automatically recommended through YouTube on the homepage. And so a lot of people who don't even know who I am actually clicked on this video without searching for it. And so you'll see this spike over here that happened is that initial browse traffic, right? So usually when you're getting traffic from your home feed, it's a spike in traffic really quickly. But then after a while, the browse didn't bring in as many traffic anymore. And so it started to rely more on search traffic. And so you can see here, you can actually see it. So now the top traffic source in the past 48 hours is YouTube search. And so I can bet you it's the same for the last several days as well. YouTube SEO has become the main traffic source because now people are actually typing in side hustles in South Africa. And so let me actually go ahead and check what key phrases they're using. So side hustle South Africa. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go back to this YouTube incognito mode. I'm going to type in that phrase, and you're going to see my video is actually going to pop up here. So when we move down, you can see, let's just wait for it to load. There's my video. So if we go to the top, this is a sponsored video. This is 1, 2, another sponsored, 3. So mine is 3, number 3 on the list of videos that actually pop up as soon as someone types in this phrase. And so you can see how powerful it can be if you do SEO properly. Now, like I mentioned, I am getting these views despite not posting anything. And so the way that I'm actually doing SEO on my channel is I use a tool called vidIQ. I'll actually link it down below. And so what I do is I use this tool to find key phrases that have high search volume and low competition. And then from there, I I mention the keyword inside the actual video. So I say it inside the first paragraph of my video. I also put it in the title if I can, and I scatter it throughout the description of my video. And so that's how you're going to be able to also create videos that can get you a lot of views over time. Now, hopefully you found this video insightful, and I really encourage you to create videos that has SEO and that are keyword optimized, because that way you'll be able to take a break and won't have to worry about your channel tanking completely, because you can still continue to bring in views even when you're taking a break, right? And so remember, if you are looking to turn your YouTube channel into an actual business, remember to download the free YouTube business blueprint below. Inside there, I give you the 5 steps that you can take to actually take your channel from hobby to business. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.